Today we are going to see how to use asti, staha and santi in Sanskrit. Asti means is in English, staha means are, santi also means are. Staha stands for to, dwell. Whenever we are using two things, we have to refer to staha, and when we are referring to more than two things, we have to use the word santi. So kaha asti, what is there? What is there in the picture? In the picture it is vrikshaha asti, there is a tree. Kaustaha, what two are there in this picture? Vrikshaustaha, there are two trees. Ke santi, what all are there in this picture? Vrikshaha santi, there are trees seen in this picture. About this picture, when you ask, kaha asti? Parvataha asti, there is a mountain. Kaustaha, who two are there in the picture? Parvataustaha, there are two mountains. Ke santi, what all are there? Parvataha santi, there are mountains. So this first sentence is ekavajan, that is singular sentence. Devalayaha asti, there is a temple. If you can say the same sentence in 12, it is called Devalayau staha, will come in the blank. Devalayau staha, there are two temples. And in Bahuvajan, Devalayaha santi, there are lots of temples. In this picture, Shukaha asti, there is a parrot. Shukau staha, there are two parrots. Shukaha santi, there are a lot of parrots, that is more than two parrots. So the first sentences are all ekavajan, second sentences are all dvivajan, and third sentences are all bahuvajan. This is how you make simple sentences in Sanskrit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Sanskrit Online. Today we are going to see how to use asti, staha and santi.